Why is your tailgate off? Got another diesel video coming up. What are you doing back here? The bumper.
Oh, yeah.
What are you doing with it?
Repainting it.
Get all that rust off.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
So how's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can already see, we got another diesel video lined up for you today.
Getting rid of all that flaky rust off the bumper. Because in the previous video, we got the big stack tip on the truck. How you liking it so far?
Sounds good.
Yeah. Rolling more coal with it, huh?
Oh, yeah.
So figure we'll clean up the back of the truck a little bit and give it a fresh new look. Throw some black paint down on there. You gonna prime it first?
Yeah.
After you get all the rust off. So
I guess after he's done sanding all that rust off, he's just using the grinder with a wire wheel on it. We'll get ready to throw some paint on there. So you ready to get to work?
Oh yeah.
yeah.
Yep.
Nice PPE there.
Yep.
Alrighty.
Which way was he going with this?
It doesn't matter. Just
He said it mattered.
I don't know. Just do it. Side to side, up and down.
Everybody want to do this? About 50 bucks?
Hey, that's how you learn. You gotta do it yourself. 100%.
Yeah.
100%. Oh, that's double 0%.
Where's the one?
100% right on top. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. 100% this bumper and finish it out.
Be 100% done in 5 months.
I'm glad about that something in my way. Well, showing the paper all prepped up on the bumper and all the rust on the ground that he ground off, I think it's ready to get painted, right?
Oh, yeah.
So throw a coat of primer. As you can see, all the majority of the rust is taken off, but we're gonna get ready to throw our first coat of primer and then he's gonna paint it black. So let's get to work.
What kind of handoff was that?
The paint special.
Oh yeah, man! If somebody sees that,
You got overspray
they
on
can walk away.
Mini Chungus. That's what he decided to nickname the stack tip, was Mini Chungus. Mini Chungus. So he's gonna throw a piece of paper over that area. It's coming out pretty good so far. Gonna finish up here and throw on the black. Hit that end right there. Right there.
Smells worse than be over my spray paint. Smells like a blooming onion over here.
What's a blooming onion?
Blooming onion.
Yeah. What's that?
The aroma of the armpits.
Oh, you nasty. Hey, why don't you leave your bumper this color?
Yeah.
I think it matches the style pretty good.
What's that supposed to be? What are you saying? Yeah.
Rust.
Yeah, just wait.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Gone.
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 Getting some body work done.
Yep.
Yeah, it'll be gone here soon.
Yep.
It's got to wait on. Well, he's shaking up a can of black. That can only mean one thing.
Oh yeah.
Primer's dry. Getting ready to shoot this sucker final coat. But I wanted to say something here first.
Now, question. If you had a sandblaster, would you have taken this bumper off and sandblasted it and then painted it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah? You know, come to think of it, I could use a sandblaster for some stuff here too. So any companies out there looking to sponsor your boys with a sandblaster that can fit a bumper and some other big parts, let us know. Maybe we can work out a deal.
Yeah. All right.
Hook your boys up.
Become part of the chem crew.
Is that more rust?
Back of the bumper paint flaking off.
Yeah.
Like flaky fish sticks.
All right, you ready?
No.
Why not? Would you stand behind the mini chungus? Get blasted.
Yeah. I had a Jagger bush.
Nice. All right, start shooting. I got the rain moving in. You better paint faster.
Is it?
It's not raining right now, but it looks like it's going to. I look like I scared you. Why you always look so happy? Working on diesels isn't that exciting, is it?
Yeah. Putting Chungus and Chungus's little brother on was pretty exciting, though.
Yeah, that'll probably get the most views.
Oh, come on!
What? I'll pick up that 50-pound boulder. Someone's having fun. That big old D-ring, 50-pound boulder. They finish off the look. It's a good thing you lift block all day to be able to lift that up.
Oh yeah.
Lock her into place. Well, got the whole rear end all buttoned up, except for the license plate and his trailer adapter for the wires, but that's not too important right now. You like it?
Oh yeah.
Looks pretty good. It all came together a lot better than that rust that was on there. Nice and shiny. That's probably the shiniest thing on your truck.
Yeah, probably.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A little different. We didn't do too much work, but figured put out some content for you guys to enjoy while everybody's in quarantine, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, everybody's at home watching. So if you guys are watching, be sure you drop a like and subscribe to us and follow us on Instagram, the whole 9. Leave a comment if you guys enjoyed this video. What do you want to tell them?
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna just sign off with the usual. Always accelerate and don't look back. Catch you guys on the next one.
Woo doggy.